Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to put these little strips in. They give your car a new leather smell, so it kind of smells like your car's new. I love these. Hopefully I'll have these in my description. If I don't, let me know and I'll try and find them for you guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the floor mat. We sprayed the carpet spray in there, so now we're going ahead and put the, not floor mat, but it's a rubber, well yeah, I guess it is kind of like a floor mat. So I'm sorry for the glare if you guys see it. The humidity is so hot. I'm in a t-shirt and I'm sweating. Yeah, so this is the official first day of winter. We're actually putting this guy on right now. I can't believe that it's this hot. It's just crazy. So there we go. We got the new Mustang fuel style cap on. Just need to polish it up, but looks good. Alright, so now we're gonna put in the trunk rubber lining that we got. Alright, so again, I'm sorry for that glare. There's nothing I can do about it. My camera steamed up on the inside because of the high humidity. So it's a little frustrating, but it is what it is. It's out of my control. So this is a complete trunk mat. It's supposed to be cut to fit perfectly. So we'll find out. So I guess I need to put underneath. We're just gonna lay it on top. I'm not too worried. Okay. Excuse me, guys. So looks good. There we go. So let's see. Now onto the license plate. Alright, so we got a new frame for it as well. New license plate, custom license plate, and I think this guy's a little overkill, but I quickly grabbed it. So we got a new one of these, but I'm just going to keep the old one on for right now. Alright, we're going to go ahead and dry the back of this off. Now for this side, this shall be fun. Right there. There we go. You don't want to make it too tight that it cracks. But it's got to be in enough that it's not ever going to wiggle itself out. There we go. So it's The plate has a little water inside. So the plate is done. Now let's move on to something else. Okay, so now we're going to work on putting a new front plate that I got for the car. I hope I have the right size screws, which I'm not sure I do. These screw holes are very small, so we might actually have to try and make the holes a lot bigger. It's plastic, so you can do it. It's just going to take a little bit. So I drilled the holes out, made them bigger, but these screws are kind of rusted that I found, so I'm going to spray them with a rust-proof spray, let them dry. So we might go ahead and work on maybe putting hood decals on. It's starting to cloud up, so I'm thinking the rain's moving back in. So I do want to get the windshield gold Mustang on before it rains, so we're gonna do that because that's something I really want to get done. Get this American flag one off just because it doesn't match the car gold and black theme, so stay tuned. Okay, it's gonna rain probably at any second, so we gotta get this front plate on. Paint wasn't 100% dried on the license plate. I mean on the screws, so I'm just gonna have to touch them up eventually. But that's all right. Okay, next up we have gold inserts for here. Don't know if we're gonna make it before it starts raining, but we're gonna try. Alright. Okay, so that's not going anywhere. Looks a whole lot better now than before. Alright, there we go. Looks awesome. Man, I love that. Alright, so I was undecided, but I think we'll put it on these decals, both sides. So, should be good. Hopefully it doesn't rain in the next minute. So I gotta do this very, man, it's windy. Oh, this is ridiculous. It's making it very, very difficult to do. If I can wait for the breeze to die down just enough to put this on. Alright, here we go. I need to peel this off. We gotta do this even, make sure nothing comes up. Because there's a lot of detail in this decal. Oh good, it turned out great. We didn't mess up at all. So now I'm gonna press it down, but I want to get the other side on before it starts raining. So hold on. Alright, now that the decals are on, oh man, I think they look awesome. Way better in person than my camera could ever show. So we have one more decal that I'm not sure if I want to put on. It would go right up in here. So I need to lay it out and see how it looks. Hope you guys like my custom Mustang. So I'm way too undecided what I want to do. I could put it in between there, or I could put it up top here like I originally was going to. But I think that might look too much decal on the hood. So I don't know. I'm not sure what I want to do. So for now, I guess I'm gonna leave it as is. Wow, man. Yeah, I think I might leave it as is. With the two gold stripes on the side, you got the gold in the center with the hood. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna touch the center. It's kind of a shame I got these. I mean, they're gonna look really nice. Don't know if there's anywhere really I could put them. I mean, now that would look stupid. One there, one that, nope, that's dumb. I think that's it. I think that's all we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen. So if you saw my fail, might be at the end of this video. Took off the old decal that goes on here, the Mustang American flag one. I swapped it out with the gold one. If you watch at the end, I should have the blooper. Climbed up on here. Right as I laid it down, a gust of wind blew and pushed it on the glass, not where I wanted it to. So this side was great, that side was way too high. Very, very frustrating. It frustrated me a lot. So it looked bad because when I tried to peel it off, it just stuck to the glass. So I just said, you know, forget it. I'm gonna reorder another one and do it on a day where it's not windy whatsoever, because it's just not worth it doing it when it's windy. These came out good with the wind. Luckily, I waited for a nice calm, well, I waited for no air whatsoever. So alright guys, we'll see. Clearly it didn't rain yet. I do need to clean the interior massively. There's a lot of stuff left over from when they painted that I need to clean up, but I can't wash it until 6 weeks. So okay, might be more videos, we'll see.